I would like to teach you this. The body temperature. What I've, let's say, experienced. Heating the body system. Heating. Cooling. Now, this is what I'm talking about. All of New York City. After I met Tony Eagan, the American Narhi, I was scared of New York City. And I was pale, I was skinny, and I was at boutiques. And I bought this lipstick. And things were so expensive, and New York City train systems smelled awful. Everyone grabbed my purse, and people could fall through restaurants, any restaurant really, the underground, not the underground music, like really underground in the basement of a restaurant. And I was pale, I was tiny, and they said, "Give me your money." And it smelled awful, New York City. And it was Sweet 16 after meeting Tony Eagan in 2000, and it smelled terrible. It smelled like I was scared for my life. And I just wanted to see Tony Eagan, how I met him, like, originally, and because I love him. Tony Eagan, but I was all alone, and they would say, "Amy, come on," and I was like, "I just want to see Tony Eagan because he understands me." Heating, cooling, and that's the body temperature, and that's more than that. It's pipelines. It's it's cars, it's buildings, it's technology, it's products that are natural, it's heating, cooling, and every product should be safe. Buildings should be safe. Elevators should be safe. Everywhere on the planet Earth, God, everything should be safe. Human nature, plants should never be poisoned. People should never get hurt by bad plants, bad, disgusting viruses. Whatever, they're cures for everything. And it's true. Even waves, wherever in oceans, can be controlled by scientists. And I know this ever since my elementary school. Heating and water and pipelines and animals and alligators, sharks can be controlled by scientists. I'm not a scientist, but I learned from picture books in elementary school. That's how I learned. Everything on the planet can be controlled, and it's true. That's what I've learned. Romantic Italian. Dr. Britis, my romantic Italian doctor ever since I was born. And that's what I always was. Born December 8th, 1983. Amy Erica. And